is up, ladies and mushroom tips? How y'all doing today? So we're on the last legs of the hot weather, thank God, today and tomorrow. And then we're gonna start moving into the 80s, man, for the highs. And hey, that's some prime metal detecting weather for me right there, baby. That means when I leave early, it's still gonna be in the 60s and 70s, which, hey, I'm all game for that kind of weather. But today, I'm going out. It's gonna be over 90 degrees before, like, right after 11 a.m. today. So it's like 9 a.m. right now. So I'm gonna try to get me a couple hours of metal detecting in right now before I just get too hot. And we're actually gonna go to an old location I haven't hit in quite a long time, but I had a lot of good luck there before on my budget metal detector. And we're gonna be going to Perris Hill Park. Now this Perris Hill Park, I found me a nice silver ring there before, and it's a 925 silver, so I think that's what, 92% silver, I think that means. You guys can correct me that are smart in that shit. But I found a ring in here, countless coins, because it's a park. But there's also a lot of old photos of this park from back in the 1930s and stuff. So there's a lot of old school stuff that went down in this premises as well. So we're gonna go ahead and swing the detector there and hope for the best. Man, I can't believe that Long John Silver's shut down. I mean, I never really ate there, but isn't that car wash badass how it looks? I wonder if it's actually an older car wash or they just made it look cool and vintage like that. Right here we got the old St. Bernardine's Hospital. It's an old ass vintage hospital as well. Bet that grass patch has a plethora of old coins in it. It's just been gated off for years, and I don't think people really have been walking around in there since the, I'd say, 40s or 50s maybe. But we're gonna go to this park, try to find us a nice area that's not too diluted with crackheads, and hope we can find some cool shit, maybe some jewelry or something. What I should try to do is ride around this park and try to find whatever old structures are here that look the most aged, and maybe hit around those areas. Oh damn, they got the sprinklers on and everything. I'm gonna have some wet grass. Damn, that sun is bright today. See, look, there's like an old rock wall right there. Like, you could tell something was there. But this is also where all the crackheads hang out. So I'm probably like stepping on a bottle cap with every step in that place, and I don't really want to dig all that shit up. See, this part gated off looks like an old part of the park. Like, they gated it all off, but you can tell it's all old brick, and they got the old auditorium there. The old arch doors. So I'm thinking about going that way, like towards the actual front entrance, because it used to be a doll hair to get in there. And you know, a lot of us when we were little kids, we'd pay with quarters and shit, so you can imagine how many little dickheads are just running around, probably dropping change all day long around here. So I'm gonna try to find a safe spot to park my bike, and then we're gonna go walk around and probably hit that front end. I'll go put my bike over here by this tree, and then we'll just walk along the edge right here and metal detect. All these squirrels. Damn, they straight got a whole tunnel system through this whole entire spot. Alright, we're gonna hunt this right here. Let's see what we can find. Only about 3 dickheads I see around. Man, this park went to shit, man. I used to go right there. You'd go right in there, pay a doll hair, and you can swim for, I think it was 2 hours. And then they would cycle you out, and then they let a new group of dickheads in, and you could ride the water slide, all that shit. Back when there was a little community around here, you know what I mean? I wish to God that I was live digging my very first target. First literal target. What's that? What's that say back there? Weedy! 1944S Weedy. First fucking target of the day, dude. First target. Look at the soil. Look at it, was just imprinted there. Look, you could read the 1 cent. It's been sitting in the dirt all this time. Look, 1944S, first target of the day. Oh baby, oh baby, yes, oh baby, yes. All right, I just dug my weedy right there, but That's another signal right next to it. And you best believe I'm about to dig that. Right there. Same exact signal right next to it. Oh, it's a memorial. Damn. I thought I was gonna get two Wheaties right by the same hole. It's gonna be at 19.99. Here's the Wheatie hole right here. Jumpy signals. Right there. Right there. Alright, let's dig that. Man, it's one of those like weird ass double-sided nails. Damn. Well, usually around 10 is going to be gold range, which I scanned a couple of my girlfriend's gold rings and it did that, so I'm getting a solid 12, 13 here, bouncing from a 10, a couple inches deep. Possible jewelry? This could also just be a bottle cap. And that's exactly what it is. This is a little ass piece of metal. Look at that. Well, it's an old bottle cap, beaver tail. I think it's a beaver tail. One of the old school pull ones. Got us a beautiful signal right here. Most likely a penny. There it is. Be another wheat. Ah, it's a memorial. I knew it was a penny. That was a good signal though. Oh! Ooh, something else is in here. Old nail. Strong, strong. Most likely a penny, probably modern. Modern penny. This park's crazy. I'm like this far from my bike. Everything I've gotten is so far this close to my bike. It's like I can't even go far into the park yet because I'm just like, I'm overloaded with signals. Ooh, that's a good one. This one's bouncing from a mid-20s to a 30s. Let's see what this is. Got multiple signals. Had some hope there for a second. Jesus, look at this. This ball is giving me a signal. I don't even know what that is. Oh. Oh. What the fuck is that? It's like a metal stud. Is it a bullet? I don't even know what the fuck that is. Modern penny. I knew it. Alright, this should hopefully be something good. It's like a 24 to 28. Ooh, that could be good. I don't even know what that is. Like a headlight assembly or like a cap of some sort for a car? The fuck? Modern penny. All I am out here is a penny pincher, damn it. Maybe I'll move over there by the rock wall and see if I can't find anything. All right, I'm on my way over there, but I'm finding a 30 signal right here. That could be something decent. Oh, what the fuck is that? I think that's something for the piping, so I shouldn't fuck with that. Alright, so I made my way over there. I found 2 nails that had really good signals, but they're just nails, flathead nails, but they look nice and new, so weird. But made my way over here, and I got a nice 2830 signal. We're gonna check this out. Might be a quarter. $19.97 dime. All right, this target was ringing up a solid 10. Basically what my girlfriend's gold 14 karat gold rings ring up as, so. It's gonna be right here. Damn it! Literal fucking beaver tail top. Fuck! I had high hopes for that target. There is literally like way too many signals to dig in this park. It's ridiculous. Like I could come here 100 times and still not dig everything. It's like every 10 feet I got like a penny signal, so I'm sure it's just littered with pennies in here. I got flies landing on me nonstop. It's pissing me off. All right, let's dig this. Modern penny. All right, it's starting to get fucking hot out here. I'm about to go ahead and hit back to the bike. All right, just to give you guys a look at how many signals are in here that I could literally just be digging for like a week straight. Check this out. Diggable. Diggable. Massively diggable. Matter of fact, I'm gonna dig it. Right there. Is it wheat? Oh, it's a memorial. Fuck. It's an older one though. 1972. Nice. Damn, that was reading like a different kind of signal. I didn't think that was gonna be a penny. I ain't joking. There's literally so many signals, like it's ridiculous. Damn, that's a big ass beeper right there. I'm gonna dig that. I feel like it's gonna be piping. All right, let's head back to the bike. It's getting in the 90s now and I'm literally dripping sweat like a water faucet. Does it what?
It tricks up in the air and shit, like.
I mean, it's not a motocross bike, it's a dual sport.
Is it really?
So it's more just like a street legal dirt bike.
That's pretty powerful though, besides that.
No, it's just a 200.
Really?
Yeah. But it does the job. It'll climb shit, it'll do wheelies. You could do drive-bys on it.
Man, I like to jump, dude.
Oh yeah. Hey Tony, you have a good one, buddy. Oh, that guy started talking to me and then talking to me and then talking to me some more. Well guys, I just wanted to bring you out on a fun little metal detecting adventure on the park. I knew I was going to have a lot of targets in there and a lot of cool stuff to dig, so definitely going to have to put that spot on the back burner and hit again. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. All links will be down below if you want to support me in any way, shape, or form. Get my shirts, keychain, stickers, etc. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit out of that like button. You guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later. Twin!